Thanks for watching this, my child. You'll find it useful as you navigate through life. Embracing change is key to growth, even though we sometimes find ourselves resisting it. As leaders, we should understand that innovation is important, but it can sometimes feel a bit daunting. People really enjoy the comfort of familiarity. It brings them joy to have established routines. When starting a new role or looking to impact an organization, it's important to respect the current culture. Embrace the traditional methods, and present your vision as a smooth progression instead of a complete transformation. Consider change as a soft, refreshing breeze rather than a fierce storm. When you introduce new ideas as improvements to what's already there, it helps to foster a feeling of continuity. This approach fosters trust and encourages collaboration. Remember that your goal is to lead change and inspire others to embrace it. When individuals feel appreciated and heard, they are more inclined to come along with you on the path to progress. I love you, your father. Even if you're not my son. I'm really hoping you find this channel helpful. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and follow us.